Ever wondered how simple instructions in programming can solve complex problems? Today we're diving into functions and recursion, the fundamentals of programming magic. Functions are like a magic box. They take an input, perform their operation, and return an output. In programming parlance, these are termed input and output parameters. Crafting a function is akin to weaving a spell. It's you who decides the input, the process that takes place inside, and the output. Functions, essentially, are the stepping stones to mastering the art of programming. They're the building blocks that structure your code, making it easier to read, write, and understand. So let's delve into the enchanting world of functions and recursion to unlock the secrets of programming wizardry. Defining a function is like crafting your own spell. You dictate what goes in, the sorcery that happens inside, and what comes out. In the magical world of functions, parameters play a crucial role. They're like the ingredients in your magic potion. Each parameter you put into your function changes its behavior, similar to how each ingredient alters the taste of your potion. Parameters act as a critical element that determines the function's actions. The world of parameters is categorized into required and optional ones. Just like the base is essential for a potion, the required parameters are indispensable for a function. Without them, the function will be incapable of executing the task it is meant for. On the other side are optional parameters. These are like spices in your potion. They are not strictly necessary, but they add an extra layer of flavors, enhancing the potion's overall experience. Howbeit, their absence won't hinder the function's operations. Lastly, we have default parameters, the favorite spices you add when nothing specific is mentioned. These parameters come into play when no other parameter is provided during a function call. They hold a default value assigned during the function's definition. So remember, your function parameters are the ingredients that make your magic potion work. Choose them wisely. Now, on to variable scope. It's a realm, a sphere of authority for your variables. Those nestled within your function, they're locals, their recognition strictly within their sphere. Variables beyond the function, they're globals, recognized universally across your code. They're like celebrities, known by all with access to every corner of your code. The distinction between locals and globals is crucial. It's like two different worlds with different rules. Understanding these worlds allows you to navigate your code more effectively. Why should you care? Because knowing where your variables live helps avoid unexpected bugs in your magical spells. Introducing recursion, a concept that at first glance may appear complex but is importantly powerful. It's fundamental in programming and computer science. How does it work? Imagine a mirror reflecting onto another, creating an infinite loop of reflections. This represents recursion, a loop that seemingly goes on forever. However, in the realm of programming, this loop eventually finds a conclusion. It's a fascinating principle used in problem solving. The recursive function works by effectively breaking down complex problems into much simpler, manageable versions of the same problem, thus providing a solution. In programming, this loop has an end, solving problems by breaking them down into simpler versions of themselves. Let's delve deeper. Think of solving a maze. You use recursion to try a path. If it's a dead end, retracing your steps is the next move. You then take a different route, armed with the knowledge of which way not to go. Every decision is a recursive call, systematically reducing the complexity of the problem. Continually iterating, you find your way out. But remember, without a clear exit strategy, you might be stuck in a relentless loop. This method is elegant, but beware. Without a clear exit, you might find yourself lost in an endless loop. So, how do we wield this power wisely? To do so, one must first understand the power that lies within functions. Functions are the building blocks of any coding endeavor, and it's your responsibility to use them judiciously. Like an artist with a paintbrush, or a wizard with a wand, you must keep your functions focused, specializing each one for a specific task. Imagine your functions as spells, each carefully crafted to perform a single task. This ensures precision and avoids confusion. Moreover, when using recursion, it's crucial to establish a base case, your guiding light, your beacon in the coding labyrinth. This base case is what keeps your code from entering the dreaded realm of infinite loops, ensuring your code runs smoothly and efficiently. When it comes to recursion, ensure there's always a base case, your light at the end of the tunnel, to prevent infinite loops. We've journeyed through the realms of functions and recursion, delving into their intricate details. We've explored their definitions, applications, and complexities. As with any skill, constant practice is critical. Engage in various experiments with your own functions and delve into recursive solutions to broaden your understanding. The more you practice, the more proficient you become. It's like a magical spell enhancing your skills. And as you become more adept, you transform into a potent programming wizard. Eagerly dive deeper into the fascinating world of coding, explore its vastness, and above all, remember to enjoy the process of coding. Have fun coding.